G'day Tentworld viewers, this is Deon from the Ferntree Gully store and welcome to another video. So today we'll be recording Deon's lunch. That's right, it's lunchtime and I'll be cooking my lunch today in the Road Chef oven. So I currently have the oven connected up to the projector power hub via the Anderson plug that it comes with. It also comes with an adapter so that you can plug it into a standard 12-volt socket, and this comes off to go into a merit socket. So I'm not going to worry too much about going through the specifications on this today. All that information is on our website at tentworld.com.au. I'm more interested in an actual road test focusing on the power consumption and the actual performance of the oven. It does say in the instructions that the oven will draw 8.3 amps at max operating power, but according to the power hub currently, it's drawing about 9.9. So I am preheating this at the moment for about half an hour, which is what it recommends. We will come back when the time is up and it's time to put the pie in. So you'll see here, it's got a shelf. It does have another shelf as well, which goes in about that height, but my pie is too high for that. So we'll close this up. And I'm just going to set the timer. Try it about 40 minutes. The pie is thawed out, so we'll come back in about 40 and check out how it's going. And we're back at Deon's lunch. It's been about an hour cooking time, plus a half hour preheating time. Let's check to see how it's going. Super hot on the outside and hot on the inside too. So that's all done, we can turn that off. So that pie is done and crumbs. Pie crumbs, that is. There was a broccoli and cauliflower pie and it was delicious. Took about an hour and a half when you take into account the preheating. Oven got very hot, it's still very hot after being off for a while. So do be careful of that, especially if you've got kids around. Running about 10 amps an hour, and if you had more pies in there, it would take a little bit longer. So it's not as quick as your oven at home, but if you're out and about, it does the job. So thank you for watching. This has been the Road Chef, and if you want to pick one up, come in store or online at tentworld.com.au. Thanks for watching. See ya.